In front of me is LENOVO Tab P12 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard. When you're ready, click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then click on the best theme for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you finish, hit apply. If you want to customize your keyboard instead, tap on the same color palette, and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!